Yes class, Assalamu alaikum. This is a video tutorial for lab number 13. I am continuing this video from lab number 12 where we have designed a login page with the username and password field. I am typing here my username which I have set admin and password is loop. Then I am clicking on login button, so it's login success, and if I am typing something else, so it is login failed. So this is lab number 12. Now for lab number 13 we have to open a new window when clicking on login button instead of this alert message that is login success. So for this we have applied if block in our first page.java file, that is if user got getText equals to admin. अगर आपके पास यूज़र की फील्ड में आपने एडमिन टाइप किया है, पासवर्ड की फील्ड में आपने ऊप टाइप किया है, तो आपके पास अलर्ट मैसेज जनरेट हो जाएगा. यहाँ पर आप अलर्ट मैसेज को रिमूव कर देंगे एंड यहाँ पर आप अपनी fxml फाइल ओपन करेंगे. सो उसके लिए आपने fxml फाइल क्रिएट करनी है. एज यू कैन सी आई हैव ओनली लॉगिन पेज डॉट fxml फाइल. सो फॉर दिस ऑन गोइंग टू द src फोल्डर आई एम राइट क्लिकिंग एंड देन going to new, then others, and in JavaFX I am creating new fxml document. I am giving name, let's suppose add custom so this is my add custom file. As you can see, now I have to open it from scene builder. So class, I have opened my add custom .fxml file on scene builder. Now it is empty, so going to controls, I am adding a button, then I am clicking on anchor pane, so it's a symbol plus. I have to drag it, then I will click on button, so it will show in blue boundary, then I will drag it on my anchor pane. Now I have to change this name, that is add customer button. Now I have to add some labels. It should be named okay. Now it's customer name, father name, this is the address label, then we have phone number, label and next we have an email label. So this is our 5 labels. Now we will add text field, 5 text field, and I will set an ID for it. So double clicking on text field, go into code. I will give an ID to my first text field. So let's suppose it's N1 for custom name. Next I will add a text field for father name, and I will give its ID to FN1. So first field is N1, second is FN1. Now I am going to add third field, which will be my ID as add1. You can add any ID. Now for fourth one I will have as PN1 as my ID. Now last one is EM1. So this is our add custom.fxml page. Now I am clicking on add customer button. So I will give an ID it as add button. Now I am going to save it. Now I am going to save it, and coming back to Eclipse, I will load fxml file, that is add custom.fxml file. I will load in this if block, so that if our username and password matches to admin and OOP, so by clicking on login we can have our add custom.fxml page. So for this I have to load. So I will copy this code which I have used for login page. So parent is a class and prog is a object for fxml loader. So now I will create scene and pass this. So here you can see I have created a scene, that is scene, then sc is the object, new is the keyword, then scene class, and passed a parent class object to it. Now we don't have created a stage, so I am creating here stage. I'm saving the file. Now we have created our stage, and then we have linked our stage to scene by set scene method. Then we have just called dot show method by our stage object. Now I am executing. Let's suppose first of all I am double clicking at custom.fxml file and checking these all are the labels and their fx IDs which I have set. Now coming back to main class.java, I am executing So this is our first page by typing admin and OOP, then clicking on login. Okay, I haven't passed this. In if block I have to pass add custom.fxml. Now I am again saving this. Now coming back to main class, I am executing main class. Now clicking on login button, we will have this add customer page. Now we just type anything here, but by clicking on add customer button, we don't have define any functionality to this button. So for this, now we have to work, and our objective is that when we type our information here, so it will pass to our next page. So when typing to second page, our information has to pass on with the next window. So now I am closing this, and now this is our lab number 13 part 1 video. Now I am moving to next video.